Okay, so just a couple of quick updates for this video. The first of which is concerned with the ability to easily select all of the data points associated with a single photometry set. So what do I mean by that? So for example, you might be working in the light curve window and you would like to be able to select all of the data points belonging to a single photometry set. So just as a quick example here, if I were to drag a rectangle around all of these data points, it is quite easy to see that I have now selected one single photometry set, and I could make adjustments to it in this fashion. But it becomes more complicated when you have two or more photometry sets right next to each other. So for example, it is quite difficult to easily isolate all of the data points of just one photometry set. Now what you could do is you could zoom in, and then it becomes a bit easier. I could make my selection that way, but that is not always practical, especially when you are working in the phased plot view. So if we go here to phase plot, then you'll see that all the data points of every single photometry set, they're all grouped together in one view. So for example, what if I wanted to take set number 3 here and modify that photometry set without interfering with the others? Well, it was actually possible to do this in the previous version, and the way that worked is you would go to photometry sets, look at number 3, and then go to photometry measurements, do a Control A to select all of the data points, and now that you've done that, now you could make your adjustment. But again, that was not entirely intuitive, because I have had several requests on how to do this. So the change that I've made now is, simply put, you can right click on it and go to select data points. So this bypasses the need to go to the photometry measurement window, and now you can make that adjustment as desired, again with just that one photometry set at a time. Or if you wanted to do so, you could actually select 2 sets at a time and select all of their data points, and now you can see what that looks like. So the hope here is that this is now a bit more intuitive, and hopefully it makes more sense on how you would do that. Now the other update is how to easily rearrange these photometry sets in chronological order. As you can see, we have September 22nd, then we have the 19, 20, and 21. So this is not quite in the order that we might want. Now you could have rearranged them before manually. The way that would have worked is you would do move up or move down. So again, you could have done so manually, but now it's a bit easier. I can simply select all of them, right click and choose sort by date ascending. So ascending will do from oldest to newest. And once I've done that, now I can replot the graph, and you can see we have 19, 20, 21, and the 22nd. So those are the 2 updates I have for this video. As always, if you have any other ideas or suggestions for improvement, I am always welcome to hearing them. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.